Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in a little Ulta haul. There's nothing in this bag because I already unloaded it and filmed this once and then my microphone stopped working. Yay! So we're just going to go through this again. Make sure if you like this video at the end to like, comment, subscribe, share below. And let's just go ahead and get started. If you're wondering why I went shopping again when I literally just said I was not going to go shopping again, it's because A, I had a coupon, B, I had rewards, and C, I had like 3 gift cards to use, so it is okay. So first I got these eyelashes. I have already tried the Ardell ones, but I have not tried these Eylure ones. I've tried the brand before, but I thought these looked super pretty for like a glam look, so went ahead and got those. They were both $5 a piece. Next, I got this. Let's just go to brushes. I actually tried out some of these brushes today, and I really like the way my face makeup turned out. So first, we tried this NYX Professional contour brush, and this was $11.99, I believe, which is a little pricier for drugstore brushes, but it actually worked really well for contour. Like, there's no harsh lines in my opinion, so thumbs up on that. And then I got these Real Techniques brushes, one for blush and one for blending. It's a stippling brush, and they both worked out really well for me. So I actually used this with my Makeup Revolution blush, and it blended out like a dream with this. So thumbs up. These were both $8.99, and they were buy 2 get 1 free. Next, I got some eye brushes, and we got an Eco Tools, and we got a Real Techniques. I figured I need to step up my eyeshadow game, guys, so I went ahead and got some more eyeshadow blushes. Why do I always mess up the word? I got some more eyeshadow brushes to do that, mostly crease and blending, but you know, you can never have too many, let's just say that. Then I got some new makeup, actually, or at least it said it was new at Ulta. The first thing I got was this NYX Strictly Vinyl Eye Pencil. I thought this color would go with a lot of different eye looks, so I figured I would try it out. It was $6.99. And then I got the Smashbox Photo Finish Iconic Primer Stick, and it claims to be 12-hour control for oil. Let me show you what it looks like. I believe this was $32 for a primer. That's not super bad for high-end. So this is what it looks like. Just took it out of the box for you. It just rolls up. I just really like the idea of it. I hope it works out. I'm super excited to try it out for you guys because y'all know I got oily skin if you've been watching me. And let's see. Stuff that I bought that you guys are probably like, oh my god, like you're just now trying this out. Yes. I got the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Haven't tried it. You guys are probably like, oh my god, why? I have so many bronzers, that's why. So, but I decided to pick it up. I'm like, I might as well try it out, you know? And then finally, I got these Stila liquid eyeshadows. One is the glitter and one is the shimmer. Since I already swatched these ones, let me just show you my swatches. So the first swatch is in Rose Gold, which, oh my gosh, this shade is always sold out. And I've been waiting to try it forever, and I literally love it. Like, I cannot wait to try it out. And the next one is La Dolce, I don't know, the green, army green looking one. And oh my gosh, like I love army green, so I cannot wait to try these out. I already know these are like holy grail products for so many people, and I literally can't wait to try them out. That was just a little bit of a haul, like not too bad, but not too little. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't mind this little piece of hair that's not straightened right now, because sorry. And it is now 10:15 and I have to be at work in 15 minutes, so I gotta go. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe below. Hit that notification bell. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, assuming we have no internet problems. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye!